guys, so today is a super exciting day, or it definitely is for Nick. I mean, I'm excited too, but this is the one thing that he was really looking forward to, and that is going to El Yunque Rainforest. So every time like we drive around, like we went to this beach yesterday and it was like an hour like towards where the rainforest was, so we kept passing by it and seeing it, and I was just like, oh my god, it's huge, I can't wait to go. We're getting some food right now. Elizabeth is just wandering around. Say hi. Hi. So I'm gonna go ahead and make us some breakfast. I'm gonna try and get as many clips as I can on the way there, but I think since we're gonna be using the GPS, I probably won't be able to get any clips of us on the way there, but I'll get plenty of clips once we're there. All right, so we're over at a Yunque Rainforest right now. It is currently raining. Let me show you what it looks like. Nick's out exploring like this little rock thing right now. I'm just in the car still with Elizabeth. We were gonna walk around a little bit, but it's raining, and for those of you who don't know, my daughter hates the water, hates the rain, so we can't really take her outside, otherwise she'd just be screaming the entire time. So we're gonna like take turns walking around, and like one of us will stay in the car with her and one of us will go exploring. I'm gonna be inserting lots and lots of clips of us like driving up and a bunch of different pictures and stuff that we see along the way. So yeah, stay tuned. you. Oh. All right, so we found this super awesome beach. It's kind of in the same area that we were at yesterday over in Luquillo. We just had dinner over at this place called like Board Riders. So freaking good. I had these like tuna bites and chicken quesadillas. Nick had ribs and wings, and the ribs were phenomenal. We're just gonna sit here and enjoy over here. So we're about to leave this beach right now. I think we're gonna go to Walmart and pick up some more like snacks and stuff for the house. Nick is giving Elizabeth a tour around this beach right now because there's this cool little area like where it's almost like there's like a pool in the middle of the beach, the way that the sand is formed. So he's walking around that area. So yeah, this may or may not be the end of the vlog. Obviously, if you see more, then we had more to do. But if not, then thank you guys for watching this video and coming along with our vacation with us.